Hello guys, and welcome to Life, Love, and Gardening. I just wanted to show you some things that are happening in the garden today. We've had a thunderstorm and a flash flood warning yesterday, and we have one today also. And I just want to show you some of the damage that it has been doing in the garden. So you see my wheelbarrow is full. I've already been pouring some out. I said let me show them. Okay, some of the plants are growing pretty good because of the rain. This is yellowing because it's getting too much rain and something has been nibbling right here. And then look how big these leaves are, but because of the hail that we had just recently, it kind of tore the leaves all up. That's not insect damage, that's hail in the middle of May. So we have golf ball size and ping pong size hail. Okay, well I see something down here. I think that's leaf miner kind of damage right there. You see that wiggly, squiggly lines right there? That's what that is. Okay, so I've been trying to do some pruning because I have some tomato plants that are kind of too close to each other, and so the hailstorm did tear up a lot of these as well. As you can see, there's some hailstorm damage right there. And then here's some hailstorm damage, just kind of right here also. Some hailstorm damage. Some of the holes are still really big that were in here. I've been kind of watering, but it's been raining every single day for the past like 5 days. So, okay. I have more asparagus popping up. Here's one right here. Here is a little one popping up right there. One right here. There's another one. Two right there. One peeking out. Here's another one peeking out. There's another one that's kind of covered. And then my lime has some flowers on it. Has lots of flowers on it actually, and they smell so good. Right, looks so pretty. And this really got hit, but I do have some little pups coming up down here. Just rip that off. Right. What else is going on? Oh, let me show you. So I have a lot of water in here that I need to dump out. Everything is just kind of like drowning. Right. Then what that is. Okay, and then I have some more purple asparagus popping up right here. See, look at these. These are really filled up with water. This is I think a Pixwell gooseberry that I need to get planted up. I think it's still alive, yes. At least that one root right there is alive. Need to plant that up. Oh yeah, I need to plant up. This is a pink hibiscus right here. I need to plant that up, and then I have some grapes that I need to plant up. I'll show you guys that on another day. This, all of the water in here. Everything is filled with water. To be honest, this whole garden needs a makeover. Totally needs a makeover. Alright, and these are the sunchokes. They're popping up. This is a sunchoke. All of these are sunchokes popping up. In between, we have some white butter crunch lettuce. Have some beets back here. Some bok choy and beets. In between here. Okay, show you that. All right. I have some lemongrass that I need to get potted up. This is lamb's ear. It got hit really hard with ice. This was very beautiful, and it has holes all in it. And this broke off pretty bad. A big chunk broke off. It had about 2 of these in here, and one of them just completely snapped in half, kind of like this one snapped in half right here. All right, so I have a lot of things that look good and a lot of things that don't look so good. It's getting too much rain, and in these little pots right here. This is a burdock. It had 2 in here, but the ice hit them and broke them off. This is a sweet repeat raspberry that I need to put out. And the strawberry, this didn't do well during the hailstorm. This still looks pretty good. All right. So anyhow, everything kind of looks a mess. Everything got blown all over the place. There were like 40 miles per hour wind. So everything really got beat up pretty good. But I still like this bed. This bed is still doing good. The sunflower looks nice. The leaves are kind of yellowing a lot because of too much rain. The potatoes are starting to get a little bit of disease on them from too much rain. So I've just been coming through here and breaking some of these limbs off to get some airflow through there, get some of the diseased leaves off. But I love this. My chamomile is looking good. It's starting to put on some flowers. Right, so there's a lot to be done in this garden, a lot of things to be done. And this is what it looks like when you just kind of drag your feet a little bit. Oh, I see some more. I believe this leaf miner damage, as you can see. All the little squiggly lines there. That's what that is. Rosemary, little tomato. This is a bed that we redid not too long ago. This was looking really good. This was looking, it was bigger actually than this one right here. But the ice storm came and it broke this off, and it beat this one all the way up and broke off everything on this one right here. And so this one isn't looking as well, but hopefully it bounces back. All right. This is the goddess of the moon, and it's looking healthy. It's looking pretty, you know, it looks okay for 5 days of rain and about 5 more days of rain to come. We have some radish over here. I had a dwarf okra over here, but I don't think it survived the ice storm. This is feverfew right here. I have a string bean right here. This is a blue lake, and it knocked off one of these, but we have like a little leaf coming back on. These are blue lake, and it has a little flower on this tomato. Right, a lot of the tomatoes have flowers on them. This isn't looking so great. I'm just gonna go ahead, pull this off. As you can see right here, it snapped it in half, but it's still kind of continuing to grow. Right. And so I just kind of wanted to give you guys a little update on the garden and what's going on in the garden here with the storms. I always come back to this. Oh, it has a little squash coming on. Okay, I'm so happy. Oh, it has another little baby one. Can you see it? Right here. Okay. So that's good. Oh, I see some more. Hopefully they get pollinated well. Okay, here's another little one right here. Right there. Hopefully they get pollinated well, and we will have some round zucchini. So all of them have some little round fruit coming on them, and hopefully they get pollinated. This is a marigold flower right here. Some marigold seeds, and I'm just going to take it and sprinkle them all in here. Right, and if they germinate, great. All right, guys, so that's just a quick little update of what's going on in the garden here at Life, Love, and Gardening. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.